Hello, Alex. Hello, Alex.
Hi, John. How are you today? Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, but I'm a little tired. I'm good, but I'm a little tired.
Oh, why? Did you sleep late? Oh, why? Did you sleep late?
Yes, I was studying for tomorrow's exam. Yes, I was studying for tomorrow's exam.
Me too. This test is very important. Me too. This test is very important.
Yes, it is. It's 40 marks, right? Yes, it is. It's 40 marks, right?
Yes. And the teacher said we must pass it. Yes. And the teacher said we must pass it.
What subject is the test? What subject is the test?
It's English. It's English.
Oh, right. I forgot for a second. Oh, right. I forgot for a second.
Did you read all the chapters? Did you read all the chapters?
I read most of them. I still need to study grammar. I read most of them. I still need to study grammar.
Same here. Grammar is a little hard for me. Same here. Grammar is a little hard for me.
Don't worry. We can study together. Don't worry. We can study together.
That's a good idea. When shall we meet? That's a good idea. When shall we meet?
How about after lunch today? How about after lunch today?
Okay. Where do you want to study? Okay. Where do you want to study?
Let's go to the library. It's quiet there. Let's go to the library. It's quiet there.
Perfect. I will bring my notebook and pen. Perfect. I will bring my notebook and pen.
I'll bring my notes and textbook too. I'll bring my notes and textbook too.
Do you remember what topics are coming in the test? Do you remember what topics are coming in the test? Yes. The teacher said tenses, prepositions, and paragraph writing. Yes. The teacher said tenses, prepositions, and paragraph writing.
Okay, then we can practice all three. Okay, then we can practice all three.
Yes. And maybe we can ask each other questions. Yes. And maybe we can ask each other questions.
That's a good way to learn. That's a good way to learn.
Do you feel nervous? Do you feel nervous?
A little, but I think I will do okay. A little, but I think I will do okay.
Yes, you will. You always do well. Yes, you will. You always do well.
Thank you. I'll try my best. Thank you. I'll try my best.
Me too. Let's help each other. Me too. Let's help each other.
Yes. Together we can do it. Yes. Together we can do it.
All right then, I'll see you at the library at 2 p.m. All right then, I'll see you at the library at 2 p.m.
Okay. Don't be late. Okay. Don't be late.
I won't. Bye. I won't. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more and press the bell icon to get all notification. Thank you.